Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset, your go-to toolkit for accelerating your design and drafting. Whether you are exploring AutoCAD for the first time or looking to boost your productivity with advanced features, this video will guide you through the key tools and the capabilities that make the mechanical toolset a true game changer for engineers and designers. Join us as we explore how to automate repetitive tasks using the extensive libraries and produce precise mechanical drawings faster and more efficiently.
Let's start with the agenda for this session. We'll be discussing in detail about AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset that is more effective and helps you to speed up your product design. Language converter that helps you to support 19 languages on converting foreign languages into desired languages for your designing and drafting method. Editing dimensions that controls the precise or precision of the dimension value. Script generator, most importantly the IGS and step translator. There are multiple added benefits. We are discussing the top 5 of them. Today mechanical engineers uses 2D CAD mainly to machine designs, plan factory layouts, or rework legacy data. It speeds up the design by automatic process that have been involved in the repeated task. The intelligent layer management system that places the item on correct layer, color, and line type for the drawings that have been created. With the toolset, subscribers can even create the parts with all project information, which assert in making the complete machine parts, and they totally also can access 7 lakh library intelligent part features and symbol libraries. Speaking of advantages of utilizing mechanical toolset, starting with preparing an assembly with the details. For the first time in 2D, identical parts can have different geometrical appearances when hidden, but in mechanical toolset, recognizing that they are still identical. Calculate the forces in mechanism. You can even perform an analyze on 2D geometry that is subjected to static load. You can calculate the stress and deform in a plane or a cross section with individual forces and stretching the loads. Connecting clamp with shaft, mechanical toolset not only offers standard parts but also assist in creating a complete machine parts by automatically connecting parts with project information. Any changes on one component will cause an automatic update on all other related components. Mounting clamp with screws connects more than 7 lakh standard parts like that they are pre-drawn. It also includes 1 lakh pre-drawn standard features, contains more than 8,000 pre-drawn holes. Adding pulleys and belts, they not only create parts according to specifications but also create all the reports and calculations needed to analyze in the designs.
Now we are going to see about language converter. Do your drawing travel across countries? Want to check out? Here how it works. The language converter translates text of all varieties, including attribute values, multi-line text or mtext, part references, and part list from one language to another. This feature is useful when your company exchanges drawings between different countries. You can either translate your entire drawing or selected faces only. The language converter currently supports 19 languages and maintain personalized .mld file for custom terminology.
Now let's discuss about language converter the that helps you to translate all varieties including attributes, multi-line text, or in turn we can say m text file formats, part references and part list on one from one language to another. This feature is useful when a company exchanges drawings between different countries. You can either translate entire drawing or translate selected faces. The advantages, or we can say the benefits of utilizing the language converter, starts with a global collaboration. Manufacturing company often operates across multiple countries. Language converter helps the terms to communicate technical details accuracy across regions. Enhancing productivity reduces manual translation efforts, allowing engineers to focus on design and innovation. Customer and vendor communication facilitate a clear communication with a client and supplier, especially when sharing technical drawing or specification. Most importantly, efficiency. Minimize the need for external translation services and reduce the risk of costing errors due to language barriers. And let's discuss how it actually works in. When we activate an online translation, AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset compares the text in a current drawing face by face against multi-language directories, or in turns we can say .mld. When AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset finds the match, it replaces the text in a drawing and corresponds to the translated text. If the text is not found, what happens? If AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset cannot find the faces in the default multi-language directory, it prompts you to type the translated text. Optionally, you can save the translated text as a custom language directory file, typically a file that has the same name as a drawing you are translating but with an MLD file extension. So you can compile a custom directory of all frequently used faces that are useful for your subsequent translations. So the multi-language directory relies on the contents that have been mapping for the standard mechanical terms. These files are customizable, so you can add your own terms if that have been needed. That are more dependent on the localizing drawing for international clients, standardizing documents across multiple terms, reducing manual translation errors in technical drawings.
Now, we'll explore what editing dimensions are and how to make use of power dimensioning feature. As soon as you select a dimension for editing, AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset displays Power Dimensioning ribbon tab. This tab displays the properties of selected dimension and provides the means to change them. You can add fits or tolerances to the dimensions and choose the representation from the list. You can also control the precision of the fits and tolerances independently of the precision of the dimension value. The drafting standard controls text sizes for the deviation automatically and eliminating the need for additional dimension styles.
Let's discuss about editing dimensions. As soon as you select a dimension for editing, AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset displays Power Dimensioning Ribbon Context tab. This tab displays the properties of the selected dimensions and provide the means to change them. AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset does not permit on editing the dimensions on a logged layers. It is more important for our references. Conceptual contextual tabs, these tabs are over displays the tools that are needed for a specific enhancing workflows by keeping the commands essentially accessible and improving the productivity, such as the dynamic display. This display that helps when a specific action is taken, such as selecting a particular object or starting a command. Relevant tabs or the tabs that are being required on the commands that displays a directly to the objects and the tasks that are being done. You can also work on multiple customization. The customization that appears on the tab that seems to be using the customizable user interface option. In AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset, it appears with a relevant command and the objects such as the power dimensioning tab, fits and tolerances, multi dimensioning tab. These tab are more important for various different operations for the dimensioning features. We are dimensioning in AutoCAD software for seems to be like centuries. There are multi-purpose power dimensioning command that automatically recognizes the default and the appropriate type of dimensions that have been involved. Create multiple dimensions with a minimal input, resulting in instant group of approval spaces, ordinating with parallel or even baseline dimensions. Automatically create, which helps you on improving the efficiency, that reduces the time spent on dimensioning by automating the recognizing and placing them. Accuracy that adheres to drafting standards and ensures precise spacing and alignment. Consistency that maintains the uniform and layer management across the drawing. Manufacturing readiness enabled tolerances and fit directories directly into the drawings, making the dimensions, making the drawing more production ready. User friendly access for the tools, an innovative feature that snaps and makes it easy for both beginners and also for the advanced users as well. The benefits and for utilizing the fits and tolerances that includes the ensure proper assembly features and improves the efficiency and reliability, supports the ISO standards. AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset supports ISO 286 fit code, ensuring the global manufacturing compatibility. Advantages of the tolerances in mechanical toolset that includes the controls of manufacturing vulnerability, reducing the manufacturing cost, efficiency on interchangeability, supports GD&T, and independent control on fit tolerance precision. You can set the precision of fits and tolerances separately from the dimension value, allowing the user to work on the drawings in a more appropriate manner. The practical advantages the users in mechanical toolset that includes a fits and tolerance type, tolerance zone visualization, formula based tolerance calculation. Let us use this fit and hole shaft fit and hole fit drop downs and automatically applies the correct symbols and value based on ISO standards. Multiple dimensioning features in AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset offers a range of productivity on precision on especially on the mechanical drawings and manufacturing documentations. These are all accessible on multiple dimensioning dialog features. There are more benefits when we discuss in detail, starting with the increasing the drafting speed. You can place multiple dimensions in one go, significantly reducing the time spent on repeated dimensioning tasks. This is especially used for the complex mechanical parts with many features. Consistent alignment and spacing. The options like inside out, outside in, and both axis ensures dimensions are aligned and spaced uniformly, improving the dimension clarity and professionalism. Intelligent dimensioning. AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset automatically recognizes the geometry and applies the correct dimension type, reducing the manual input and error. Style management. You can rearrange exciting the dimension into new styles from chain to baseline without deleting and redrawing them. This flexibility is an ideal for adopting to different drafting standards. Counter selection. The tool allows you to select additional counters and apply dimensions to them in a batch, which is especially used for the respective features that have been enabled. Editable on the fly. The power dimensioning dialog that helps you to appear for each dimension, allowing you to edit text, tolerances, and symbols immediately as you place the cursor on them. Shaft and symmetric dimensioning. Especially the tabs for shaft views and symmetric parts helps dimensioning in mechanical components like gears, axles, and turned parts more effectively. Dynamic updates. Updates on the dynamically that when geometry changes, maintaining accuracy and reducing the rework, which includes these are the major advantages for that works on the parts of mechanical toolset.
Have you ever tried automating your repeated task or need support on creating automation on regular design procedures? AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset has feature of script generator to specify input fields and associated Lisp routines in a script without leaving the drawing session. You can incorporate not only the Lisp files provided in AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset, but also user-defined and modified copies of those Lisp files. You can integrate any Lisp files into script to improve productivity in your drawing.
Script generator, AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, it is a built-in tool that helps the user to automate repeated tasks across multiple drawings. You can use a script generator on multiple drawing files or even folders. Apply a pre-defined or customized command to all the selected files and generate the script files that runs on commands automatically. Common uses of the script generators are like batch updates like title blocks, converting DXF files into DWG files, applying drawings to clean up on a routine task. You can also use script generator to specify input fields that are associated to Lisp routines in the script file without leaving the drawing session. You can incorporate not only the Lisp provided with AutoCAD, but also user defined and modified copies of those Lisp files can integrate any Lisp routines into script. AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset includes built-in routines which are useful on exchanging of a block, editing configuration, layer conversion, and much more. How it works, opening a script generator from AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset, selecting the files, choose individually DWG files or entire folder, add commands, insert a command or script of LISP routines, generate script, save them in the format of .ser, run the script using the script command in AutoCAD to execute them. There are multiple advantages of using the script generator, such as batch automation. Uh, Automates repetitive tasks across multiple drawings, time saving on reducing efforts, and speeds up the workflows, especially on the CAD managers and engineers handling larger projects. Support LISP and Python. You can integrate custom LISP routines and Python script for advanced automation and making it highly flexible. No need to exit the drawing session. Script can generate and execute directly within the current AutoCAD session, improving the workflow continuously. Customizable script, users can add, remove, or reorder commands and routines, script commands, and structured formatting for clarity and reuse. Flexibility on file selection allows individual files and entire folders, even subdirectories, useful for organizing and processing the drawings set efficiently. Improved performance commands like the undo control none helps script run faster during the batch operations. Consistency across drawings ensures uniform accessibility of standards across layer properties, text styles, and title blocks.
Are you still stuck in importing and exporting your drawing files to neutral file formats? Here is a solution in AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset, which supports IGES and step translators. These commands are designed to translate some of the additional IGES entities typically used in mechanical or manufacturing drawings. The standard for the exchange of product model data, that is STEP, is an ISO standard for computer interpretable product manufacturing data representation, that is CAD data as well as the metadata, for exchanging 3D model data between dissimilar CAD systems. AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset supports with a feature that could help you with a command of STEP in command, and also it supports multiple versions of STEP versions such as AP214 and AP203E2.
Let us discuss about IGS step translator. IGS translator AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset provides IG certain commands to translate between the drawings and IGS file formats. These commands are designed to translate some additional IGS entities typically used for manufacturing drawings. Step translator standard for the exchange of product model data, which is in turn named as STEP, is an ISO standard format for computer interpretability product manufacturing data. The CAD data that allows the metadata as well. An exchange dot step file format often used for exchanging the 3D model between dissimilar CAD systems. AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset translates supports both import and export of the step file formats for the further usage for the designers. There are multiple benefits on utilizing the IGS and step file formats. Let us discuss in detail how it could be utilized by utilizing AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset. Seamless data exchange commands that allows you to import drawing between the IGS and step file formats, ideal for collaborating within the teams. Support for manufacturing specific entities. There are translators that are used in manufacturing drawing, ensures better user friendly when importing the complex mechanical data. Accurate geometry conversion converts 3D geometry annotations and metadata with higher precision, maintains associativity and layer structure whenever applicable. Enhanced workflows integration allows integration with the other tools that rely on those formats and facilitate the downstreaming like the analysis and documentation and much more. Batch processing capability when you can automate the translation of multiple files using script or even script generator, improving the productivity in a larger project. You can also make use of ease of multiple commands such as IGS in, IGS out, step in and step out. These formats helps you to come totally import the file formats from IGS and step, and also helps you to export the files from DWG files to step and IGS.
Thank you for joining this walkthrough on AutoCAD Mechanical Toolset. We trust this session would have provided valuable insights to enhance your design workflows, streamline repeated tasks, and improve overall accuracy in your mechanical drawing. For further guidance, or if you would like us to cover specific features in future sessions, feel free to share your suggestions in the comments or mail us at autodesksupport@techdata.com. Stay tuned for more focused tutorials to help you make more out of AutoCAD experience.